Salute when it is I, the yellow, the say. Whenever you need any dub plate, you can link Dialtone direct. Listen me, not send your money go to some people and get spliced. Listen to my voice, this is the right voice, this is the real link Dialtone if you want Alozade dub or any authentic dub from any artist from Jamaica. He has the link to the world. Anywhere them there, him find them, the realest. Yeah, man, the price is always right. Alozade, so check him out. Michael Sterling representing for Dialtone. Check it out on YouTube, check it out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Dialtone, sister. Well, bad man, no watch, girl, we no watch it. When me tell them about garden, down then, spitting at them face and walk over the. From she look good, tip her, she shape good, hey. Buckle pon buckle, lick up on liquor, hey. And I'm a sense me under me. We're on the best side grade, which is the west side grade. Me will take my last. Sure, check him out. Dialtone. Brand new. Of everything like the cleanest studio. Check the facilities. Show them the facilities. Oh, you think a penny for this? You get quality dub. Quality for your money work. No frying, no pan, no knock. Clean cut dubs. Check him out. Alozade say I'm out. Citizen, salute!